We're at the Purpose Society, and we're in downtown New Westminster, the older part. Working at the Rent Bank is pretty rewarding, actually, because you're helping people in an immediate crisis and alleviating some of that crisis for them.
Are you behind on rent at all?
A Rent Bank is a homelessness prevention and housing stability program. And what we do is we offer interest-free loans to low to moderate income earners who are renters, who face a temporary crisis. We had 7 of them in existence when BC Rent Bank began. And these were all independent nonprofit organizations who had learned about the benefits of Rent Bank. They were offering those out to community.
One of the first things the BC Rent Bank did was create a diverse steering committee that included housing organizations, Indigenous organizations, business organizations, BC Housing, and government. And that became the mechanism where we developed the strategy and implemented the Rent Bank system across the province. It was never the province's intent to be the sole operator or funder, but rather to support local rent banks, local communities with local knowledge to provide those services.
It removed my fear of being evicted and a possible trauma for my husband, who's a person with disability, and myself. I am very grateful with the Rent Bank.
The most common way that an individual who's needing assistance can access services is the website bcrentbank.ca, and they can go to our apply page and complete a pre-assessment. And when they hit submit on that, that actually goes to the Rent Bank that serves their community. And within a few days, a case manager will be in touch with them to talk more about what's going on and look at solutions. We're about looking at situations beyond just that financial. We also want to connect them to other community resources.
Any other factors that impact your housing needs. If there's any referrals we can provide. So this can be things like mental health challenges.
People actually keep their housing for an extended period of time after being helped by us. And that is huge. Having the BC Rent Bank as a provincial body that oversees the rent banks has stabilized our loan capital. There's a heck of a lot of detailed work in processing loan applications, reviewing people's bank statements, and having the ability to properly staff to fulfill all of those pieces and engage in community development has been absolutely huge.
For us, our partners, whether that's our community nonprofit partners, whether it's our funding partners, our municipal leaders, they've been absolutely instrumental. And it's through their efforts in coming together and willing to work with an unknown entity called BC Rent Bank that we've really been able to achieve this work.